Hi everyone! Welcome to Extraordinary Taste. This is a very thick, meaty, and flavorful meat sauce, perfect to serve over spaghetti or pasta. Let's get started. Half pound of ground beef, 1.5 pounds of tomatoes. Ripe tomatoes have a sweeter taste. Also, different varieties of tomatoes have different sugar content. Usually, we use sugar to balance the acidity. Tomato skin does not dissolve well as the flesh. It's optional to peel off the skin by soaking them in hot water for 1 or 2 minutes. However, the skins are rich in nutrition, so dice them up finely. 1 small or half of a large onion, diced up. 8 ounces of button mushrooms, diced up. Minced 4 garlic cloves. Prepare some of your flavored fresh or dried herbs. I've basil, rosemary, and thyme here. 1 can of 15 ounces tomato sauce. We are now ready to start cooking. 1 teaspoon of oil to saute the garlic and beef. Fresh red meat has a lightly bloody or metallic smell. Browning the meat over medium to high heat will force out some of the smelly liquid in the meat and evaporate out in the air. Add in the onion and stir fry for 1 to 2 minutes. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Add in the tomatoes. Then the mushrooms. At last, the tomato sauce. Mix well. Do not add water. There's enough liquid from the tomato and the sauce. Bring everything to boil again and add in the herbs. That's it. All that remains is to wait. Simmer it for 2 hours. Stir occasionally to keep it from sticking. After simmering for 2 hours, remove the cooked herb stems. Then turn the heat up and cook until the extra water in the sauce evaporated. Stir from time to time. Pay attention, the liquid will dry out very quickly. The sauce is done when it reaches this consistency. Season with salt and add sugar if needed. If your tomato sauce is seasoned, give it a taste before adding any seasonings. Prepare the spaghetti or pasta as instructed on the package. Cooking time may vary from brand to brand. Toss the sauce on top and enjoy! Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.